వెల్కమ్ టు ఈ క్లాసెస్. మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో చక్కని మార్కులు సాధిస్తే దాని ప్రభావం కేవలం ఇంటర్ మార్కులపైనే కాదు, ఎంసెట్, ఐఐటి లాంటి ఏ ఎంట్రన్స్ రాసినా కనిపిస్తుంది. అందుకే మ్యాథ్స్పై విద్యార్థుల ఫోకస్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. మ్యాథ్స్లో సాధించే మార్కులే ఇంటర్ గ్రేడ్ని నిర్దేశిస్తాయి. మరి ఇలాంటి సబ్జెక్ట్ను ఎంత జాగ్రత్తగా ప్రిపేర్ అయితే అంత మంచిది. ఈ దృక్పథంతో ఆలోచించే వారి కోసమే కేఏబీ టెలివిజన్ అందిస్తోంది ఈ క్లాసెస్. మరి ఇంకేమాత్రం జాప్యం చేయకుండా క్లాసులోకి ఎంటర్ అయిపోదామా? డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నిన్నటి ఎపిసోడ్లో మ్యాథ్స్ పేపర్ 2Bలోని డెఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ టాపిక్కు సంబంధించి సినాప్సిస్ మరియు బేసిక్ ఫార్ములా గురించి కొన్ని విషయాలను తెలుసుకున్నాం కదా. మరి ఈరోజు ఎపిసోడ్లో డెఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. మరి ఈ టాపిక్ను మ్యాథ్స్ బోధనలో అపార అనుభవం గల చంద్రశేఖర్ గారు వివరిస్తారు.
In the last session, we have seen the theory part of definite integration. Now we are taking up the problems. In definite integration, around 11 marks are being asked. 2 are short questions, or 1 4 marks, or 1 7 marks. Yes, now in this session, we will be doing very short questions. One question here you say, 2 to 3, 2x by 1 plus x square dx. This was asked in March 2012 examination. This is the question here. Now, the question solution goes like this. This is direct application of what we call the fundamental theorem of integral calculus. Integrate the inside one and put the upper limit in the integrated value, put the lower limit in the integrated value, and find the difference. The difference so found is nothing but the integral. Now you know that integral 2x by 1 plus x square dx is taking the shape of f dash x by fx integral dx, which is equal to logarithm of fx. So integral 2 to, this starting from 2 to 3, 2x by 1 plus x square dx will become logarithm of 1 plus x square evaluated between not 0, rather 2 to 3. Now in place of x, if you put 3, that is upper bound substitution. If you put 2, that is a lower bound substitution. So logarithm of 3 square 9 plus 1 log 10 minus logarithm of 2 substituted will give you log 5. Log m minus log n. Log m minus n is how much? Log m by n. So that is equal to log 2. That completes the solution. This is a 2 marks question. Very simple. Integration of the inside integrand you have to do. Afterwards, upper bound must be substituted, lower bound must be substituted, upper bound minus lower bound. That is the integrated value. Now I will do second question. This is integral 0 to pi root over 2 plus 2 cos theta d theta. This is also comes straightforward as an application of integrated value. After integration, upper bound substituted and lower bound substituted. Yes, now you know that 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Yes, therefore 2 plus 2 cos theta will become, if you take out 2 common, 1 plus cos theta. This is 4 cos square theta by 2. Now if you are going for 0 to pi root over 2 plus 2 cos theta d theta, how much you are going to get? 0 to pi, 4 under root will give you 2, cos square theta will become mod cos theta d theta. Generally, the students they write only cos theta, but we are supposed to write mod cos theta. Why? Cos square theta when square root is extracted may give you positive or negative. Positive or negative is indicated by what? Mod cos theta. Now cos theta in between 0 to pi, first quadrant and second quadrant. Here it is positive, 0 to pi by 2 positive, and pi by 2 to pi. Pi by 2 to pi is how much? Negative. So this integral will be broken up into how? 2 times 0 to pi by 2. In between 0 to pi by 2, how much is mod cos theta plus cos theta d theta? From pi by 2 to pi. This is minus cos theta d theta. This is the breakup. Now, what is the integral of cos theta? Integral of cos theta is sin theta. Integral of cos theta is sin theta. So 2 mod 2 into cos theta integrated will give you sin theta. This must be evaluated between what and what? 0 and pi by 2 minus plus rather integral of minus sin theta evaluated between what and what? Pi by 2 to pi. This is the one. When upper bound is substituted, what you are going to get? 1. Lower bound substituted? 0. When upper bound substituted? 0. When lower bound substituted, you are going to get minus 1. In the formula itself, one minus is there. So plus 1 is there. So already outside 2. So total answer is 4. So the given integral value is 4. Question number 3 here. Integral 0 to 1 x square by 1 plus x square dx is to be evaluated. This is to be evaluated. Here you see x square by 1 plus x square. This is a rational function. How you are doing rational function? If it is a improper function, convert into proper, then partial fractions are to be found. Here what we do? Here this is improper. Add and subtract 1. X square plus 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1. So what happens? This part is x plus 1 and minus 1 will go. Again you will get back the original one. So this is will go. So integral 0 to 1 x square by 1 plus x square dx is equal to integral 0 to 1 1 dx minus integral 0 to 1 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. Now 1 integrated is how?